there, health enthusiasts. Have you ever heard of jackfruit? If not, let me introduce you to your new favorite fruit. Jackfruit is a tropical fruit native to South Asia, and it's making quite a splash in the health community. This gigantic, spiky fruit might look intimidating, but trust me, it's worth the effort. First off, jackfruit is a nutritional powerhouse. It's packed with vitamins A, C, and E, along with minerals like potassium, magnesium, and iron. Not to mention it's a great source of dietary fiber. This means it's not just good for your taste buds, but it's also fantastic for your heart, immune system, and digestive health. But that's not all. Jackfruit is also rich in antioxidants. These bad boys fight free radicals in your body, helping to reduce inflammation and lower your risk of chronic diseases. And if you're trying to manage your weight, jackfruit is your friend. It's low in calories but high in fiber, which helps keep you feeling full for longer. Now let's talk versatility. You can eat jackfruit ripe or unripe. When it's ripe, it's sweet and tastes like a mix of pineapple, mango, and banana. Perfect for smoothies, desserts, or just eating it straight up. When it's unripe, it has a meat-like texture, making it an excellent meat substitute in savory dishes. Think jackfruit tacos, pulled pork sandwiches, or even curry. If you're a vegan or vegetarian, jackfruit can be a game changer. It's a fantastic source of plant-based protein, and it's incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Plus, it's a sustainable crop. Jackfruit trees are hardy and require less water and pesticides compared to other crops. So you're not just doing your body a favor, but you're also helping the environment. And here's a fun fact. Jackfruit is the largest tree-borne fruit in the world. Some can weigh up to 100 pounds. Imagine the culinary possibilities with that much fruit. So next time you're at the store, don't be afraid to pick up a jackfruit. Give it a try and see how you can incorporate this amazing fruit into your diet. Your body will thank you. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. See you next time.